What if I told you the rich don't think about money the way you do? They see money as a system, not a struggle. While most people chase paychecks, millionaires quietly build pipelines, structures that keep pouring in income even while they sleep. Today, we're breaking down 7 millionaire secrets that reveal how to shift from working for money to making money work for you. Secret 1. Build multiple streams of income. Millionaires never depend on one source. They create income from investments, digital assets, real estate, and businesses. Each stream is a safety net, and together they form financial freedom. Secret 2. Automate your wealth growth. Wealthy people don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. Automating your savings and investments ensures you grow consistently, no matter what's happening in your life. Secret 3. Buy time, not things. While others spend to look rich, the wealthy spend to gain time. They outsource tasks, delegate work, and focus only on what multiplies results. Secret 4. Invest in knowledge. Every millionaire is a lifelong learner. Books, mentors, and masterminds are not expenses, they're multipliers. Because one powerful idea can replace years of hard work. Secret 5. Accumulate assets, not liabilities. It's simple but life-changing. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Learn to identify the difference and your financial trajectory changes forever. Secret 6. Network upward. Your circle is your ceiling. Millionaires intentionally build networks with people who think bigger, earn smarter, and push them higher. The right environment builds the right mindset. Secret 7. Give back to grow more. True wealth isn't just about accumulation. It's about contribution. The more you give, the more opportunities flow back. That's not luck. It's the law of value exchange. Here are some action steps for you. Start one new income stream this month. Automate 10% of your income toward investments. Read or learn something while focused every week. Audit your circle. Stay close to people who elevate you. And give back, because abundance expands when shared. At Wealth in Billions, we don't just talk about money. We decode the mindset and strategies of the world's wealthy individuals. Our mission is to elevate your financial perspective, help you visualize how to build systems, not stress, assets, not anxiety, and a lifestyle built on freedom, not fear. If you're ready to upgrade your mindset, multiply your income, and start living the millionaire life on your terms, hit that like button, subscribe to Wealth in Billions, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth-shifting video. Drop a comment below. Which of these 7 millionaire secrets are you ready to act on today? Your journey to Wealth in Billions starts right now.